You got this shit knocking low.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. I am the owner of In Between Ink. Today's blog post is not only going to be a hair review, but it's also going to be an how-to. Since I've had a taper cut, I've always loved the look of long curly hair with it. And since I've been wearing my hair like this, I always get the question on, how do you do it? Is it a wig or a weave? What is it attached to? Is it sewn on? Is it glued on? Or is it clipped on? And I have all the answers for you right now. The hair used in this video is going to be hair from CYNCHIA Beauty. This piece that you see right here is a wig that I made. It consists of 2 bundles and they're 22 inches of their classy curl. Today is March 13th. I received this hair on February 11th and I actually made the wig that day and I installed it that day also because I'm super impatient. I can't wait. So I've had the hair for about a month now. So this is the hair right here. You see it? This is the hair. Yeah. This is after 1 month. I'm coming. And this is where it goes. And I've cut a lot of it too, to shape it. The hair came in these beautiful bags here. I will insert pictures. I think I recorded some video of what the hair looked like when I first got it. Super gorgeous. Comes with the hair tips, which is super convenient for people who don't know what to do. Like, what do I do? Bam, right here. So yeah, it basically just tells you like how to wash the hair, what to wash the hair with, how to detangle, and how to comb it, what to use, what not to use. Just, it breaks it all down for you. The most important thing that it says here for me is for the curly textures is that, okay, it says the pattern will last for approximately 12 to 15 washes, which after you can get your licensed stylist to reset the hair. So this has been about a month. How many washes has it been? I don't know for sure, but it still looks really, really great. And I don't wash it every week. I will say that. I wash it like every once in the blue moon. And I'll talk about that more later. But this looks really great. And I would say this only has about 3 washes in it. It also talks about like what's virgin and raw hair, if you can color the hair extensions, what heat tools to use, how's it measured, what it shed, all that good stuff. It also comes with their cute cards. And then it comes with the card and like what type of hair it is and the inches. And yeah, I purchased the hair like Friday, and since the person is local, I ended up getting the hair on Sunday. So I don't know what shipping is like, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I can't tell you how that goes, but the person is local, so I was able to go and pick up my hair. The hair, it didn't stink. It didn't have anything that really stood out to me to be like, ugh. Like, it's actually some of the most beautiful hair that I've ever gotten, like ever. It was so pretty, I didn't want to mess it up. That's how bad I felt when I finally washed it and got it ready. This is a unit that I made. It is basically like that little shape right there. And I didn't cut any whiffs, and all 2 bundles fit on here. And I have clips on this end and this right there. And I just get in. The shampoo and conditioner that I use, I really love the tea tree and mint. It smells like heaven in a bottle. Mint is my favorite everything. I love mint. So this, it not only leaves the weave feeling really great, but it also leaves my hair feeling really great. So I love a product that can do both. For the curls, I mostly use this coconut mousse. You'll see more of it in the video where I show you how I blend my natural hair with the weave. So shedding. The hair doesn't shed. I can go with this. Oh, I just snagged something at the end and I got this. And you saw all that work I did just to get like two little, yeah, it doesn't shed. And as far as matting, especially in this back little area, the hair, it doesn't mat. I wash it, and when I say wash it, I will shampoo it and condition it. Make sure I comb through it with my Demon brush. At that point, I would just only have to wet the hair every day just to get it to shape back up. Add a little gel to it, add a little mousse to it, and I'm good to go. It doesn't get that dry. I don't have to add that much product to it. It's pretty convenient. And I get a lot of compliments on this hair, and a lot of people actually think it's mine. I get a handful of compliments when I have this hair. A lot of people don't even know that it's not my hair, which is no complaints over here. That means I did a good job. Good job over here. I think my favorite thing about this hair though is that it's very lightweight. A lot of weaves end up being super heavy, and especially during the summertime, that can be a drag. Luckily, I got this hair during the winter, and even more luckily, this hair is super light, so I think I'm gonna really enjoy it during the summer also. All around, I really have no cons to say about this hair, which is really rare because I always find one thing. There's always that one thing I don't like. But I paid money for this hair, and I'm happy that I paid money for this hair because this is a really good investment. And since I've had it, my hair underneath has been growing tremendously, and that's the whole goal. And to be cute. Yeah, this hair is from CYNCHIA Beauty once again, and this is the 22 inches of their classy curls. I would say I do feel quite classy when I'm wearing this hair also. If you guys love this hair and would love to see more about this hair, go ahead and check out CYNCHIA Beauty. They have a website at www.cynciabeauty.com. Also check out their Instagram and their Facebook. And if you would like to see how I applied this hair and how I blend, my leave out, my natural leave out with my weave using no heat at all, please stay tuned. The braiding pattern is very important. You want to make sure to have enough leave out to blend in with the weave. For the hair that is too short to be rotted, I just go and add some gel and just do a simple twist with it. Nothing too special.
tradition rock and roll.
Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new, especially when it comes to blending your natural hair with your curly weaves, because it is possible and you don't always have to use heat and damage your leave out. Nothing sucks more than having super beautiful hair when you take out your wig and then you have damaged, scraggly little leave out because you kept straightening it to match your weave. That sucks. That's whack. Nobody deserves that. So yeah, love your hair and blend it with different alternatives. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out some other videos that I have up. Once again, my name is Bree. I am the owner of In Between Ink. Hope you have a fantastic day and thank you so much for watching.